You can say hi, Dean. Just don't go take off running that dog. You don't know.
Hi, David. Smart.
Hey, ain't stupid if it works.
Didn't say it was stupid.
You had to. That's good.
Hey, that lock was closer to land than when we got here last time.
Hey.
Up and down like the freaking ocean, Dean.
This river is pretty close to the ocean bed, so there are still tides here.
Tides and shit here. Water's clear though. You know that?
Yeah. You got a good jump in, bud. Okay, do it. You can stand, you dramatic.
You can stand the whole time.
Yeah, just doggy paddle. You're a goof. Yeah.
I guess Warren said the same thing. It's weird nobody's here. Like usually it's fucking packed. First time I take a selfie. Yeah.
Pretty much stay to the left side of that and just kind of trim up and just keep an eye, follow that tree and then cut straight to the beach.
This
It's high tide, so.
Oh, but like, look at that snake jam. I'm like,
I know, I see it. Yeah. You can show us.
That's the shit that Dad used to do growing up. It was kind of fun. Like you that's a fucking sinker, man. Yeah, look at this one here, Steph.
Yep. River boating.
This is Jeff. Oh yeah, we're fine.
Oh wow, there's a lot. I see why he was like, you have to squeeze. He's being
This
funny.
is a little trick I learned from the old man. Look at that. Yeah. See that? Thanks, Dad. See this shit? There you go. Look at
I know. I got you. Oh, this is pretty.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe. There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have you.
fucking dick, honestly. You run. You're getting a car clean when I get back, little shit.
I don't want to paddle again.
I guess that's what we get for buying a cheap Yamaha.
Man.
Stupid Rutford barrel is supposed to be alive with them. No, honestly, this thing should be fine. But it's... Go, baby, go! The thing that's fucked up is that thing when I bought it, I put it in the fucking tank and ran it. It ran so good with shitty spark plugs.
I know.
It ran like a fucking first pole. And then ever since we've had it out, every time it's like, no, I gotta run.
I know.
I'm gonna run for like 20 minutes just to get you away from paddle distance. And then I'm gonna start acting up. So let's get a car clean when we get back, for sure.
So last time we took this out, we had to paddle like a half a mile back to the boat.
I'm trying to probably. There we go. There we go. Try to get this stupid piece of shit on plane. I mean, this piece of crap on plane.
Is this the weight?
What?
The weight?
I gotta get the weight forward. I get it on step. So. Whatever. You see Tommy now? Go for it, girl. Let's see what she'll do. Pretty luxury, right? Like rolling up with the motor to the vehicle. You know,
With the motor.
Like, you're out.
bomb dwelling. Hey, you slow down. You got it. We're just zooming.
What now? What now?
Oh, we're just zooming right by the boat. I was like sitting there, I was in neutral for...
Admiring the boat.
Well, no, I was admiring the boat, but I was in neutral from like 2 boats ago. Like, I was like sitting there like, I hit it neutral and it was like going past them. I'm like, oh man, we are not stopping. Like, I've been neutral for a second. And then I realized we have such a current that we actually need to go with it.
My feet are cold.
Your feet are cold?
Yeah.
Okay.
Something fell off the boat.
Oh my god, I heard.
The wheel
Hey
thing.
guys, push the boat. Come on, walk the boat. Help me. There we go. Attaboys. Come on. There you go. There you guys. There you go. Good team. Don't jump. Okay, we're gonna pull.
Nobody did. Nobody touched you.
You're good on slow line. Now let's make the ice flow
Look
away.
at that hair. No, you don't touch it. I'll get it.
Anybody grab the boat? Oh yeah, did anybody grab the boat?
What?
Nobody tied the boat up, now it's floating away.
I guess Daddy's gone.
Now what? Now Mama's gonna find you, Daddy. Bye guys.
What?
They don't take you seriously anymore.
What do you think?